Hi, my name is Claudia. I work for Bavaria Tourism. I took you here today to introduce you to one of our Bavarian ambassadors. Bavarian ambassadors are over 80 personalities all over Bavaria that represent our region, our custom and traditions. I'm standing here today at the footsteps of Lake Simsee, which is a lake between Munich and Salzburg. And only half an hour away from me, to the east, you would find Herrenchiemsee, one of King Ludwig II's palaces right on Lake Chiemsee. Today, I want to take you to Florian, one of our ambassadors. Let's go!
Hello Claudia, welcome to my Mama Bavaria showroom.
Thanks for having us today.
Come on. Well, when I was 17 years young, I spent a lot of time in a foreign country. I went abroad with 500 euro in my pocket and a one-way ticket without knowing anybody. And when I came back to Germany, I found a fresh, new look on my hometown. And this is my inspiration of Mama Bavaria. And this is the reason why I built this beautiful showroom, that the people can come and experience their own way of Bavaria.
In the last months, we detected some kind of new trends, a longing for nature, for the outdoors, for sustainability, and it's interesting that you see that reflected in your own work.
Yeah, for myself as a founder, and even I went back from a foreign country to different angle. You visit your own country, you see with different eyes, and I get all my inspiration of this landscape, of the lakes, of the mountains, and this influences me as a person, as a designer very much, and the expression of this is my jewelry and what I'm doing here in this showroom. This is my most favorite piece. It's the Summit Cross, because the Summit Cross is a symbol for your own goals in life. Everybody wants to reach the mountaintop, everybody wants to reach a goal in his own life, and my Summit Cross collection stands exactly for that.
I also see fashion here.
Yes, this is inspired by the old Bavarian tradition. I try to get on that thing with a new, fresh view, and this makes it very special. In my workshops, the people make their own Summit Cross for their goals in life. And that's it. Jewelry is stamped.
Very nice.
We force the oxidation process, and now you can throw it in and take it out. And as you can see right now, the Summit Cross is very dark.
Yeah.
And later on we polish the jewelry piece to the grade we like it. And then we make some necklace on it, and then it's finished.
I learned a lot this afternoon in this workshop, and I'm super happy with my new mountain cross from Wendelstein Mountains. Look forward to more videos to come of our Bavarian ambassadors of Bavaria Tourism. Thank you and bye-bye!